The all-party meeting, as we speak, is underway. The government and opposition are divided on the issue of AFSPA and complete autonomy to the state. In fact, opposition is also recommending talks with Pakistan. Let's go across to Aditi, my colleague who's been tracking this since morning. Aditi, now it's been over 3 hours and the meeting is still underway. Tell us, how soon is it likely to get over, and are the presentations now over? What more do we know about it?
Well, the presentations are still being made by various opposition parties, and post that, those feedbacks that are going to be given by almost 29 political parties, it will be the central government, which is Home Minister Rajnath Singh and Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, who will be making the final deliberations, who will be giving the final feedback as to what really did the centre think in those 2-day visit to Jammu and Kashmir, where they met almost 50-odd delegations from various political platforms, from various civil society platforms as well. Now, this entire meeting is extremely crucial because the final recommendations that come in from these 30 political parties, including the central government, they will be going to the Home Ministry, and given to the seriousness and the sensitivity of this issue, it will be taken to the cabinet as well. And as we talk, what we are also given to understand is that various issues are being raised by the all-party delegation. It ranges from withdrawal of AFSPA. In fact, left parties and JDU has already said that the centre should rethink its strategy on AFSPA and that they should start the process of withdrawal of AFSPA, at least from the civilian areas. Then there are also talks about what really is the centre government doing to ensure that law and order situation in the valley could be contained. What really is the extra security apparatus that the centre is really thinking of giving to the state so that at least the mob gathering could be brought under control. There are also talks taking place where the opposition parties have demanded that there should be fresh dialogue between India and Pakistan so that the cross-border terrorism that is currently the biggest challenge for Jammu and Kashmir could be controlled, and India really needs to give a very strong stand, needs to take a very strong stand and give a stern message to Pakistan as far as the involvement and the funding of the separatists which they are claiming is coming from cross-border is concerned. They are also talking about how there should be an immediate opening and reopening of schools and colleges, especially in Kashmir. Students have been barred from going to schools for almost 2 months now, and that's the prime reason why the opposition parties are now saying that it is the responsibility of the state government and the central government to provide enough safety and security so that students could easily go to schools and colleges and attend their classes. So it is a highly important meeting that is currently underway, and the final deliberations will be a part of the final recommendations that will be given by the Home Ministry to the cabinet as well.